Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. First shopping of the year. And it's what's the date today? March the 8th today. So I've just picked up my first load of shopping. I went to Aldi's, and it's been that long since I've been shopping, I forgot that I don't actually like shopping in Aldi. So it's not a big haul. I think I might go Morrison's in a couple of weeks. I'm going to the butcher's though next week. So this is the start of my yearly shopping expeditions. And tomorrow, when I actually start preparing it and cooking it up into different things and preserving it, I'll show you what I'm doing with it. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.